Good morning, welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So the question is given if x plus y minus z equal to 4, x square minus y square plus z square is minus 4 and x, y, z is equal to 6. You have to find the value of x, y, z. So here those who are new to this channel, so like this Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. So logical, critical and hard problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, you can share your video to your friends. So your subscription is very, very important because it is a new channel. So here I challenge this type of problems you cannot find in any other channels, in any other math channel. So these are the problems created, which are created and by the models. The models we are creating and giving the solutions. So here this is a different type of model. Up to the end you watch the problem. So here one logic will be there here. So here first of all what is given, x plus y minus z is equal to 4. So here you can write it as x minus z is equal to 4 minus y. Second one what is given, x square plus y square, x square minus y square plus z square is equal to minus 4. So like this only here so many problems are given how to find the value of x, y, z. This is nearly 10th problem, 10th model. So before this we are uploaded up to 9 models, same models, how to find the value of x, y and z. So here also we are taking so x square plus z square is equal to y square minus 4. Now here x, y, z is given 6. X, y, z 6 means here you can write it as x, z is equal to 6 by y. X, z is equal to 6 by y. So here our target is to eliminate. Here you have to eliminate x and z. Eliminate x and z. So for that sake we are taking one identity. We are taking one identity. So the identity what it is. So already you know this identity. X minus z whole square plus 2xz 2xz is equal to x square plus z square. So here all the values are there. Here we are having x minus z value, here we are having x square z square value, here we are having xz value. You can eliminate x and z, you will get the answer in y. So here what will get, x minus z value 4 minus y whole square plus 2 into 6 by y is equal to y square minus 4. So what will get here, if you take LCM y into, here denominator is 1, here y is there, y into 4 minus y whole square plus 12, taking y to that side, y into y square minus 4. So if you open the bracket, y into 16 minus 8y plus y square plus 12 is equal to y cube minus 4y. So 16y minus 8y square plus y cube plus 12 is equal to y cube minus 4y. So here what you are getting, you are sending all the terms to one side. 8y square minus 4y minus 16y minus 12 equal to 0. So y cube cancel. So 8y square minus 20y, 8y square minus 20y minus 12 equal to 0. So here you have to find the factors of quadratic, this is a quadratic in y. You have to find the factors of find the factors, So what are the factors you'll get here? 2y square minus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. 2y square minus 5y minus, taking 4 common, taking 4 common. So here you'll get 0, 4 will go that side, will be 0. Now I am writing factors. 2y square minus 6y plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So here 2y common, y minus 3 plus 1 common, y minus 3 equal to 0. So y minus 3 into 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So y is equal to 3r minus 1 by 2. Y value 3r minus 1 by 2. Now we will take first case. Case 1, y is equal to minus 1 by 2. If you take x square z square value, so here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 4, you will get 1 minus 16 by 4. So minus 15 by 4. So it is not possible to take minus 1 by 2. So the values does not belongs to R. So if you take case 2, if you take case 2, y is equal to 3, x minus z is equal to 1, xz is equal to 2. So from this you can find x plus z value. X plus z value is equal to x minus z whole square plus 4xz. So here you will get a square root of 1 square plus 4 into 2. That is square root of 9. That is plus or minus 3. You will get a plus or minus 3. So if you solve this, x plus z is equal to 3, x minus z is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. If you take x plus z is equal to minus 3, x minus z is equal to 1, 2x is equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 2. So therefore what is the solution here? 2, 3, 1. The other set is minus 1, 3, minus 2. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath.